Camera's on. Hey there. I hear you're curious about who that sassy redhead is. Well, sassy redhead is me, and I'm Debra Trappen. It's great to meet you. I thought it would be fun to share a bit about myself for those of you who don't know me yet. And what better way to show my fun, sassy side than with this totally radical filter? Isn't it fun? Oh. Okay, sharing my knowledge, experience, and zest for life to inspire others to take their lives, businesses, and attitudes to another level is what fires me up and gets me jumping out of bed every single morning. Helping them focus on defining it all based on their values, well, that takes it to an 11. In 2002, I declared my purpose. I fire people up, and gave it a little sizzle with this statement. I live to ignite passion, infuse purpose, and inspire progress. I am a wife to a bold man of God, sister to my 2 brothers and my 1 sissy, daughter to a sci-fi engineer nerd pops and an entrepreneurial-minded, servant-hearted mama. I also love being a fiercely loyal friend, devoted puppy mama, and auntie to the most amazing humans on the planet. My soul tank overflows when I'm doing daily devotions or listening to podcasts while riding my bike or doing yoga, or maybe even taking and editing photos on my iPhone. I also love walking with my adorable dogs or traveling and wine tasting with my hubby and besties. My paid gigs are as an international speaker and Fire Up author, and your empowerment coach. And I'm also the head of Sass and Moxie of my life. My heart's desire is for you to start living the life you have always dreamed of living. Finally being able to live your life out loud and on purpose, serving those you're meant to serve with a mission you are so proud to share and a confidence that keeps you focused on what matters most to you. As an entrepreneur, whether you're building your business and kingdom from the couch, carpool lane, cubicle, or corner office, I want to help you tap into all those amazing, unique, magnetic qualities that come naturally to you and ignite your soul to build your business and your empire, as well as help you share truths to transform your business into one that invigorates you, inspires your audience, and drives dramatic growth on a daily basis. I dare you. Okay, right now, I dare you. Scroll down, and I'll see you on the flip side. Take care.